Hello friends, let's start video which is related to a topology. First MCQS is X and Y be a topological spaces if f extends to y, f is a continuous a, b, c and d. According to equivalence condition, it's a well-known condition. F is a continuous equivalent for every subset A of X, F A bar subset of F A whole bar. For every closed set B of Y, then F inverse B is a closed in X. It's also equivalent condition with F is a continuous function. C. For each X belongs to X and each neighborhood V of Fx, there is a neighborhood U of X such that Fu subset of V. A, B, C and 3 are equivalent to F is continuous function. So that's why right answer is D. But if in a C option, here write down is a close. But instead of a close, if maybe write open, then it's also true. Let's just start a next MCQs. Every metric space XD is, we know that every metric space is a metrizable space and every metrizable space is a first countable. So according to these two theorem, right answer is A and B both. Now next one is a space is a topological space in which there exists a local countable base at each of its point. Each of its points, right answer is first countable according to a definition of a first countable. Instead of each of its points, it goes to its topology, then answer will become second countable. But right answer is here A because of each of its point. Now next one is every metrizable spaces with countable dense set is a according to a theorem, right answer is a second countable because every metrizable space with countable dense set is a second countable. But we know that every second countable space is a first countable. So that's why right answer is A and B both. Next one is R raised to n is a first countable or second countable. We should remember that R raised to n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 real line or R square disk or cube, R raised to n and so on. Then R raised to n is always second countable and second countable is a first countable. So that's why right answer is A and B both. Next one is let XD be a metric space and E subset of X. Then E is said to be space blank in X if every point of X is a limit point of E or a point of E. According to a definition of a dense set, right answer is B. But E is a subset of X and XD is a metric space. That's why E is also a metric space and every metric space is a metrizable space. So right answer is A and B both. Now next one is X has a countable basis, then X is a, according to a theorem, there are two theorem, X has a countable basis, then in X, every open cover of X has a finite countable subcover. It's a Lindelof space. So right answer is A. And according to second theorem, X has a countable basis, then every subset of X, every closed subset of X is a dense set in X. So separable space is also right. So both are right, A and B. If here right is there are X has a countable basis, but if made right X is a second countable, then it's the same answer. Okay, Lindelof space and separable space. Next one is separable space of a Lindelof space is a Lindelof. It's right or wrong, true or false. Subspace sorry, separable name. Subspace of a Lindelof space is a Lindelof. Let's just see example. X is equal to 0 1 cross 0 1 and A is equal to 0 1 cross 0 1 open interval. Here closed interval is a compact and every compact space is a Lindelof space, and A is a 0 1 cross 0 1. It's not a compact. But A is a subset of X. So that's why it's a subspace of X. So subspace of Lindelof space may or may not be a Lindelof. So right answer is false. Next one is in a topological space X if every open cover has a countable subcover, then X is called separable space, countable space, Lindelof space, first category. According to a definition, we recently learned that definition of Lindelof space. So, according to a definition of a Lindelof space, right answer is C. Now, last one is which of the following is false? Subspace of a first countable is a first countable. It's obviously. Subspace of a second countable space is also second countable. It's also true. Now, C. Subspace of a Lindelof space is a Lindelof. We recently learned that subspace of Lindelof space may or may not be Lindelof. There is an example. So that's why answer C is a false. So right answer is C. Thank you.